Hey guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Let's make something pretty and simple. So here it is, guys. It is a bag that measures 1 by 3 by 5, and I have crimped the top, and this bag is perfect for holding little goodies, perfect for stocking stuffers, perfect for making something for the craft fair goer. This is such a delightful little bag, and it's so simple to make, and it's very multi-purpose because not only can you put little goodies in here, but you can put pieces of jewelry, you can put little soaps. This has so many different uses, and it's multifunctional for a man, for a woman. Let's get started on making it. So to make this project, we are going to need a piece of paper that measures 8.5 by 6, and on the 8.5 inch side we're going to score this at 3, at 4, at 7, and at 8. And then we are going to turn it, and on the 6 inch side we're going to score this at 1. And that's it. And on this one I want to do something just a little bit different to the bag. I want to create a window, and I want the window to be 1 7/8 by 1 7/8. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take a piece of chipboard that's cut at 1 7/8 by 1 7/8, and I'm simply going to glue it down. And I can glue it down because this chipboard will come up when I cut around it. So this is basically my template, and I want to just see if I can create this with a little sneak peek window so that you can see what's on the inside. And you can sell these both ways. You can sell it completely closed, or you can give whoever might be interested in purchasing this a sneak peek at what's on the inside. So I'm just going to trace around this very carefully. Just like that. And I should be able to just pop that out. And there I've got a cute little window. So I've cut out a scrap piece of acetate, and all I'm going to do is apply a very thin bead of glue around the ends. And I cut this acetate at 2 1/4 by 2 1/4 so that I would have plenty of room to be able to glue this down without the glue showing. So I'm going to take this and just put it down just like that. And while that is drying, we're going to go ahead and fold and burnish our score marks. Trying to be careful around that acetate because it's not completely dried down yet. And then I'll do this one. Okay, so our score marks are folded and burnished, and this is our glue tab here, the narrow tab. So we're going to come back and just remove this little piece that's in the corner, just like that. And then we're going to just angle cut up on our tab, and we're going to do the same thing here. And then we'll do the same thing here. And so now what I'll do is I'll come back, and I am going to place glue on my glue tab, And then I'll just bring this up and we're going to get this closed. So I'll come back with my bone folder and just smooth that out. So just like that, we have our box closed, and now we can glue everything together. So our side flaps here will fold in. The back flap will fold up like that, but I am going to place just a little bit of glue on these side flaps just for stability, and then I'll bring that up, and then I'll just glue this one down just like that. So I'm going to come back with my bone folder just to make sure that's nice and stuck. So now we have this, and all I'm going to do is pinch the top, and I don't have any candies or anything to put on the inside, but you'll get a good idea of how this will actually work. So I'm going to pinch the top, and guys, I'm going to be sealing this completely. So again, this is one of those one and done projects for me. So I would expect this to be ripped open and whatever I have on the inside taken out. So all I'm doing is running glue on this side, and then I ran glue on this side, and then on one of these I'm going to put glue, and then I'll come over to the other side and put glue so that I can close this completely. And then I'm going to lay it down, and I'll just come back with my bone folder and get everything nice and stuck. And then I'll come back with my crimper, and I'm going to put this in the crimper, and I am just going to give it a couple of crimps and just go over it a couple of times just to get a little cute crimp at the top. Nothing too much. And now we get to decorate this. All right, so I am going to go ahead and decorate this. And what I want to do is just place it right there because I think it's going to be so pretty. Just kind of touching the acetate but not covering it, and I'm using hot glue to place this down. So I'm going to put that right there, and then I'll bring in this cute little snowman that I have, and I'm going to add some glue to the back of him, and I'll place him down just like that. And then I'm going to come back with just a little sentiment for the top, and it says I heart presents. And then I think I'll come back with just a little bit of glue and put a couple of my flat back pearls on here, and on this one I think I'm going to go with green. And there, isn't that cute? The little window. So if you had this filled with chocolates or peppermints or anything, add such a cuteness to it. And whether it's open windowed or closed, these are just absolutely adorable and so easy to make. So I hope that you guys have liked this project, and if you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.